This time we're doing the Kaiser CBX40, which we did the service video on earlier today, and not an easy thing to photograph because I've got it kind of standing on what bit of bench there is. So it's 40 channel set, sold as a 4-watt set. It is not a 4-watt set because the manufacturer, I downloaded the data sheet, and the manufacturer says of the output transistor that its worst case scenario is 1.5 watts and its average output will be 1.8 watts, and this radio is doing 1.7, so it's absolutely in spec, and Kaiser are liars. So we're on channel 31 and hopefully Mr. Chippie's out there. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, do you read over?
That's 21, we're receiving you loud and clear.
Excellent, thank you. What's your location, over?
Coming up to the end of the line.
Roger, thank you.
Right, just passing Ancaster service station.
Roger on that, got you at Ancaster service station. Okay, so one of the what was I going to say about this? So we're plugged into the roof area just like we are for any other radio we test like this. So that's it's a single-story building, and it's an 18-foot to end fed just at gutter level. Nothing clever or special, and it's on mobile feeder, but a good quality mobile feeder. So we're doing
right, passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you at Ancaster Crossroads, and what do you think of the ridiculous call tone?
Alright, fair enough.
So we've got it on the high power setting. It's doing as near as damn it 1.8 watts, and on the low power setting we've set it for 400 milliwatts.
Right, we're just passing the top of the hill as we descend into Wilston.
Okay, Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger.
For those of you who want to know, it's drawing just 4 milliamps at the moment on standby. That increases to 6 milliamps with the display lit. I'll tell you what it says when he talks.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, it's going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford, over.
Tango 21 receiving Mr. Chippie loud and clear at Scratchy Corner.
Roger that. To be fair, it's not that scratchy, it's doing quite well.
Well, it's 1.7 real watts.
Still getting you about F5 there, so that's fine.
Roger, that's excellent.
Tango 21, just going over Wilsford level crossing.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford level crossing. Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Obviously. Right, we're just passing the Greyleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn, which is the most difficult one, over.
Right, a little bit unreadable there, but I didn't get the gist of that, so
Okay, so just dropped out of the squelch there.
Yeah, 21, Mr. Chippie, going over Rossby level crossing.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing, which is where the test ends. Are you going shopping, or are you coming back to Tango Towers, over?
Yeah, I'm just going to nip to Lidl.
Okay, Roger on that. Catch you later. Tango 21 out.
That's it then.
Well, apart from the fact I could have had the squelch a bit better set for his penultimate call, which is our most difficult one, that worked brilliantly for 1.7 watts. So I'm going to just do this into our base station so you can hear what that sounds like. And then we'll do a couple more videos with him out and about. This will be over the next few days with a body camera so we can see it working in the field. So we'll do 2 videos, me from this end on the Rotel 230 and him with this radio. So then you can choose which one you want to watch, if any. So yeah, I'll just go over to the base station.
Tango 21, testing the Kaiser CBX40 hand portable into our Harrier CBHQ base station. Testing 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. Thank you for watching.